Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to edit the controls menu on this watch. To edit the controls menu we need to open it first, so press and hold the upper button. And once you open the controls menu, you can edit it by pressing and holding the middle button. And here we have options like add control, reorder controls, and remove control. First, let's add the control. Find the control you want to add, for example, brightness, and then tap on it. You will see the message control added. And if you go back to the controls menu, the brightness icon should appear. And here we have it. And now you can change the brightness from this menu. Next, we have the remove control or reorder. No, next is reorder, and we can tap on reorder, select the icon you want to move, let's say volume, press it, and then you can move it through the menu to the place you want it to place, and then press again like this. And the last one is remove control. You can tap on it, select the controls you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove the brightness icon, and then press the upper button to confirm. And then you can press the back button and the controls should be gone. Okay, and that's how you edit or customize the control or controls menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.